Hello, my name is Odessa and this is Odessa English. Today we're talking about two commonly confused words. But before that, don't forget to like, follow, and comment, and of course subscribe if you already aren't. Today's two words are haven't and didn't. These words are extremely close, and they usually are both used in situations where you could use both. It just depends on your reality and the possibilities available in it. That sounds confusing, but it's really simple. You use didn't when you talk about events that are no longer possible for you to do. Did you brush your teeth last night? No, I didn't. It is impossible for you to go back in time and brush your teeth. If they ask, have you brushed your teeth today? You could say, no, I haven't. Because you could still brush your teeth later on that day or right after they ask you. So you use haven't when what you're talking about is still possible to be done. Here's another example. Have you subscribed to Odessa English yet? No, I haven't. Yet. Didn't is used to talk about events that you can no longer do at all. Did you go to the dance when you were in grade 7? No, I didn't. If you're still a little confused, here's some cheat codes for you. You can usually mimic the question that you're hearing. If the question uses didn't in the question or did in the question, you most likely want to use didn't. If they use have or been in the question, you most likely want to use haven't. For example, did you go to the mall today? No, I didn't. Even though this is a situation where you can say no, I haven't, if you plan on going later, most people would just answer back using the similar language. No, I didn't go to the mall yet. Same thing with haven't. Have you seen Wakanda Forever? No, I haven't. Did you see Wakanda Forever? No, I didn't. In those cases, mimicking the person asking you a question can be really helpful if you're really confused. Because like you see, did you go to see Wakanda? Have you gone to see Wakanda? You can answer both using no I didn't or no I haven't. At that point, it's up to you and your beautiful choices to create your own voice in English. I hope this was helpful, and if it wasn't, I'm sorry. Like, comment, subscribe, and as always, I'll see you in my next video. Bye!